What is going on, guys? Merv here, back at it with another video. And today we're going to be doing the wing riser, or at least trying to attempt to do it. So this is how the stock one looks, right? So we're going to be getting a nice little kick up with the wing riser kit I got from Whoosh Motorsports. So this kit right here, as you can see, has no instructions, but thankfully Ron, the owner of the company, has put through a forum the instructions on how to do it. So my buddy Vince should be coming here shortly. I brought my little toolbox here. Hopefully I got enough stuff to work on this, because I've never actually taken off pieces. Oh, what the heck is that? I've never actually taken off pieces of my car before, so it's going to require removing the factory wing so you can attach the spacers for the wing riser kit. So we're going to have to do that, but it shouldn't be too hard. I've watched videos online on how to do it, so hopefully it'll be okay. The first thing you're going to need to do is remove the factory brake light. So you're going to have to remove it through here, and apparently when this pops off, there's going to be some stuff to detach, like the harness and whatever, for the brake light and the fluid as well. But yeah, all you need is a star head screwdriver and you should be good to go. So let's do that. Alright guys, as you can see, it just pops right off, and you just got to disconnect the connector for the brake light, and I think this is the reservoir for the fluid, pretty sure. So you just got to disconnect these two and you should be okay to get started with removing the wing. Got the brake light detached from the hatch bars. We're gonna have to unscrew each point. So we got here, you gotta pop these tabs here, take them off. You got some screws up in there, I don't know if you can see, both in here. I've read everywhere that you have to make sure not to make it fall in here, because it'll be almost impossible to get out. So I'm a bit nervous about that. And here. So let's just attempt this and make sure we don't lose any screws. Look who arrived. Oh, it's Vince. In the Miata. Alright. Nice. Oh, hello? If you guys are real OGs to the channel, you remember Vince. From way back when, like Jetta days. Anyways, we're gonna get this going.
Do not say the things you want to happen, man.
Yeah. Oh.
Do it by hand, so it doesn't fall off.
So we're gonna remove the two in the center first. Just gonna make sure
it doesn't fall.
Yeah.
It doesn't fall inside.
Because I read in the forums that it's very easy for that to happen if you're not careful. Oh, saved.
Saved by the finger. You gotta work the finger. It's nice today. It's just hot inside the car with no AC.
Yeah, I was gonna say. At least it's got a nice breeze.
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to drive the Subaru. It doesn't have gas.
Oh.
So use it yesterday. It's fun to drive the Miata. It's just hot.
Yeah. She looks good though.
It's dirty.
Still nice.
Very nice.
Yeah. Oh,
Right,
okay.
So that's 2 out of 2.
Alright, and now I have...
Screwdriver, right?
Yes, this one.
Oh, we got the same screwdrivers.
Screw you.
Bend over now. I will screw you.
See? We have a TJ has his Calvin, I have
Right.
a Vince.
And they're both Filipinos too.
Yes.
So it's just for the infants. That's for the throws a dog. It's just like some leaf.
No.
No one I hold the thing just in case.
Yeah.
You
We're gonna
never
do
know,
that.
you know?
Then we got to remove.
Alright, you have to tug it still?
Yeah, apparently you still gotta tug it after.
Like she likes to tug.
Oh yeah. There, you can feel me tugging it. Tug a tug.
When,
Yeah, put it down.
imagine it just falls off.
Oh god. Alright, so here.
I will film you.
Yeah.
I guess I have no reference to what you look like, so.
Yeah.
Cool. Tag it like you mean it. Are you sure that's the only bolt so you have
We're
to?
still missing some. I don't know.
I'd laugh if it just falls.
Oh god. Well, let me see. I think 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you sure we don't have to remove this?
Cut. So don't do what we did before. You don't need to.
You don't need to remove it.
Yeah, so we're gonna put those back after. But yeah, we have to unscrew these two basically. Okay, these two have to come out, not these. So disregard that part. We're pros.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
All right, let's try this again.
Take 2.
Oh,
Oh. Full years.
holy fuck!
You the clip did not want to cooperate, so
Hopefully, nothing's broken.
just a clip over there in the middle, but it's okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, well, it's off. Damn. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You still have clip on this side and on the other side.
Yes.
It's just the middle. Like the middle didn't come out.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh well. Sorry. Alright. Good. Alright, so we got the oh look. Are you moving?
This is where I used to live.
Oh my god. So yes, now the egg is in full egg form. We got to clean all this up because it's gonna be all exposed. But so we have to remove all these clips, which we pretty much did. So it kind of worked out that kind of broke off, but just the only issue is this one. I mean, you can almost kind of pull it off, but not really. But yeah, we gotta pull it off and then apply these like black
Nuts.
stickers. These black like nuts. Cover all the mounting points. So these 2 on each end and then 2 in the middle. So yeah. Little wipe down because once it's raised up, you're gonna kind of see a bit of it. So just want to clean it up a bit, at least until it gets a proper wash. Black cars are always dirty anyways, even when it's clean.
It's never clean.
Exactly. But yeah, then we're gonna put all the points here, the holes get covered, and yeah. So after much research, and we're still not 100% sure, we're mounting them up here, or mocking them up, so at least we can see. But
Yes.
everyone's saying finger tight, not super tight, because you still gotta mount it up here and then do more stuff.
Just without the finger.
Oh yeah. Okay. So we finally figured it out.
Finally fingered it out.
Fingered it out after much struggle and re-watching videos. So if you can see us, this is the only way I can do it with us working at the same time. There we go, I got one. This is very tricky, a lot of patience. Oh shit. This one. Oh shit.
of the other direction.
This is the exciting part. We finally figured it out.
Finally fingered it out.
Alright, so we mocked it up. Now we just gotta screw her in. Yeah. Cool. So we mocked it up here, here, and here. You can see the spacers. Okay. I want to see if it's sturdy enough. So you know, when I'm going Mach 1, I want to make sure that it doesn't fly.
When you hit the boost.
Yeah, it looks good though.
Yeah.
Looks aggressive. Salts.
Full stop.
Oh my god. And there you have it. Actually looks very good, eh Vince?
Get the extendo. No.
Oh no. Extendo PP. It looks good.
Yeah.
Definitely looks good. And I like that I went with the black
A
because
little bit more aggressive.
yeah.
A little dirty, but
Yes, the car is dirty, but it's because it's gonna rain anyways. It's gonna rain.
all right sideways.
Well, yeah. There you go. Install done. It was a bit annoying, not gonna lie.
It's a lot of fifth half when it comes to like aligning everything.
Yeah.
But
But
everything's good.
yeah. And it looks. It's sturdy. It's on there. It's good. Won't be flying off.
Mach 2.
Yeah. There my buddy Vince goes. My version of Calvin. But yeah, guys, this is the final result. It's done. It looks great. And yeah, hopefully this video was kind of educational. It was definitely an experience for us. I mean, I can't get over it though. It looks great, honestly. There you go. Yes. But yeah, guys, hopefully you like this video. It was a bit frustrating, not gonna lie, to install it, but it was a learning experience for sure. I'm glad that I tackled it with a buddy and we figured it out. And yeah, shout out to Whoosh Motorsports again for this is their hardware. Been rocking their stuff. Gonna be rocking more stuff from them. And yeah, guys, if you want to see more content on the Fiesta, you know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.